Let's see if it can make it. Good morning. As you can tell from the title of this video is going to be about the all-new Subaru XV. Subaru Malaysia has kindly invited me to their media event where we'll be driving the XV to Port Dickson, and I want to share this experience with you guys. According to the itinerary, this is actually a whole day event which starts at 9 and ends at 9 PM. There are actually three main parts that I'm really looking forward to. Number one is definitely the briefing for the USP of this car. Number two is the drive. Number three, Subaru actually put up a comparative test of this car towards its top competitors. They didn't label which competitors, but we'll find out.
You have reached your destination.
Louissiahpov. So that was the quick briefing. We're actually departing, and this is my car. Joined with two other media, car number 4. There are about 33 other medias today. See how it goes.
Alright, thank you.
So I was just told that Field provides a lot of snacks, drinks also. Oh, it's one each.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's nice.
Share.
Yeah, I thought that one bag is for all of us. Going this fast and there's a MyV trying to catch up. Sooner or later it's gonna jujuk you.
Yeah. Let's see it.
Oh no, he went in. He retired already. The whole group is gone, man. The back part of the group is only us and the lead car right now. You're a fast driver. You can really keep up. So the whole group actually stopped at Nilai Petron. There is actually a driver change going on right now. As you can see the cars over there. Like I said, there are about 33 medias right here from all types of publication, magazines and stuff. So let me show you guys around the car since we have a few minutes to spare. I really like the bag. It's actually very buffed up from the last XV. This is the 2.0i-P variant. This symmetrical all-wheel drive is actually something to boast about. This is the front of the car. They actually changed the design throughout the whole car, make it look more manly, I would say. Those are some sleek headlamps. Let's take a look inside. This car actually feels very refined. Everything looks sleek, well built. You get soft touch materials up here, the side. The material for the seats is actually very nice. I don't know what you call this, but it's like some sort of honeycomb kind of fabric thing. It is very comfortable, and probably one of the very few cars with a large door handle which you can fit a phone. And let's look at the back. I'm gonna be sitting in the back for the next leg until we reach Eagle Ranch. And as you can see, the legroom is really, I can't find fault with that. It's quite big. Though I would prefer if there is more thigh support. And this is something to note. There's no rear air vents. But really my first impressions of the car is just that there are no rear air vents, and also the engine noise is a bit intrusive. Road noise is decent. It's only when you really go above 140, the wind noise is really loud, the tire noise is loud. Well, you shouldn't be going that fast anyway. But that's why we are experiencing this car, so that we can tell you how it feels like. So we are departing. I have to agree with you, the back seat is actually quite comfortable.
one, stay behind the car.
So we actually arrived at Eagle Ranch Resort and we had this piece of land where we could do a bit of off-roading, and this is what the comparative test is gonna be. We are gonna compare the Mitsubishi AXX and the HRV with this XV here. So here are the two cars that they're gonna compare with the Subaru XV. Full throttle. You have to off-road to your lunch. And this is where we're having lunch. Still at the Eagle Ranch Resort. A real horse. Ooh. Hello. Wow. Oh, this place is special.
You be my soldier, like you from the north. Cause I may not know you. Just let me hold you. You be my soldier.
Lunch is over. We are just taking some shots right now. Everyone is taking some shots of the car, and it's gonna be my turn to drive later, POV style as usual.
Just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north.
So we have arrived at MIMC Melaka. As you can see, all the cars are actually parked up over there. They're going to be comparing these three cars, the same cars as just now, the HRV, AXX and the XV. Right, so what's happening right now is that they have rollers on 3 of the wheels except the left rear wheel. There, can you see that? This part, and actually that part. So he's saying that the traction control of the ASX actually went past the right roller, but not if 3 of the wheels are on rollers. So it's the HRV's turn right now. So the HRV can't even go past the first roller on the right. That's the sound of the roller turning. So this is the XV with the X mode on. Let's see if it can make it through the first roller and then the second. Went past the first one. 3 wheels on roller. Doesn't seem to be working. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Let's go, guys. What happened there was that we were given a chance to have a shootout. If you want a quick wording on it, the ASX and the HRV does have a lot of body roll. ASX being the worst one. Not because it's a Subaru event, but XV does feel more composed, more well balanced basically. Right now, I would like to have a go with the X mode demonstration right here.
You lift my feet up from the ground. I wish upon the shooting star that you make me lighter. And now you hit my heart with the speed of light.
After the drive, 9.1 litre per 100 kilometer, it's actually quite good, you know. So just arrived at Chili's at Cheetah Mall. We're gonna have dinner courtesy of Subaru. Big thanks to them.